Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Think Markets to TradingView in 2026. Now, in order to do this, first of all, open your web browser. Here in the search bar, you need to simply search for tradingview.com. Now here on TradingView, simply log in here with the help of your email address if you haven't already. Now, once you do this, you just have to launch the chart in front of you. For that, simply click on this search bar here on the top. After that, it is going to give you the list of bunch of different symbols and the tickers, which you can basically launch the chart of any of these. So here, let's say I want to launch the chart of AUD USD. So it is going to look something like this. Now click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Here, click on the option of show all brokers. Now in this particular brokers list, you just have to look for Think Markets. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you can search for Think Market. Now when you are able to find it just like so, simply click on it, then click on the option of connect. So when you do this, it is going to redirect you on the sign in page of Think Markets account. So here you need to provide your email address, your password, and select the mode here. Then basically log in into your account. So when you log in, it may ask you for the authentication. So you need to authorize TradingView for the successful connection with your Think Markets account. So this way you will be able to do it very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.